Hi everyone, welcome back to the Gypsy Caravan. I'm Shan. How are you doing? I am a professional makeup artist and have been doing makeup for over 8 years. I was working as a retail makeup artist as well as an assistant manager for the cosmetic brand MAC for 5 of those years. This is a beauty-based YouTube channel, which means you can find a plethora of content that contains tutorials, product reviews, hauls, as well as an extension of my masterclass that I teach in person, just for updated detailed videos that I might not get to during my lessons. You can find all this content on my channel. I normally post Tuesdays and Thursdays every single week. My beauty channel appeals to everyone from beginners or people who just want to learn how to do their makeup to professional makeup artists who need tips and tricks. So on my channel, not only will you learn to be able to do your own makeup, find products that best suit you, find techniques that best suit you, but you will also find things like tips and tricks and hacks for those professional makeup artists out there, get creative with color, as well as learn to do inspiring makeup looks that are a little bit more advanced if that is what you are looking for. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media platforms. Don't be a stranger, check me out. If you want some more bite-sized content, you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and of course here on YouTube. Don't forget to also check out my website. That is where I host my digital portfolio. It is also where you can contact me should you wish to book me in the future for any makeup endeavors. Don't forget, wherever you can, refer the Gypsy Caravan.